How come no one talks about how insane it is to not properly care for their monkeys? You always needed or wanted a monkey badly. Okay, the big day arrived and you go out and go and buy the monkey at quite a small fortune. Yet at that point of time where you bought the monkey, you still need a lot of information how to properly care for the monkey. You reach out onto social media and get so much conflict information on social media regarding diets, feeding, nappies, clothing, space, the vets, etc. There's a lot that the breeder do not tell you. You must always remember that. You're carrying on and in your mind you are doing the right thing. But, okay, this comes in the but. The monkey do not get the much needed direct sunlight they need, and please, it's not through a glass, that is insufficient. The people are feeding all sorts of sweets, coffee, chocolates, cake for their birthdays, cream, etc., etc. Because you really like the sound that they make when you give them all the treats, and you continue doing so. And then time out when visitors come, or your monkey needs to be timed out because he was naughty or she was naughty. Your monkey gets confided in a small space, in a small bird cage. Okay, and almost immediately they will get frustrated. You can test them almost immediately when you put them inside there. They just want to get out. And then that is also not good for them. They need space. We adapted a phrase here at the sanctuary that we live by, and that's called REHM. That stands for responsibility equals healthy monkeys. So that is why we always phrase it, please be a responsible monkey parent. Now that involves 6 major topics that we would like to start discussing in our lives on a Wednesday in different parts, and then we also like to get feedback. The first one is safety. Your monkey needs to be safe. Diets, healthy diets, direct sunlight, big enclosures or enclosure space, veterinary care, and then number 6, enrichment. So yeah guys, please do keep following us for more. On Wednesday nights, South African time, it is 7 to 8 o'clock p.m. In South Africa, and then I think in the UK it will be 5 to 6, 7 to 8, yes, that will be 5 to 6, that's right. And then in America, some places are 6 to 10 hours behind us. So please do join us in our lives and do interact with us. We would love to get your feedback on this. Thank you very much.